crypto, um, currency, and just whatever makes money. And I do it from a technical analysis point of view. I like to look at patterns, right? So speaking of patterns, let's dive right into Dogecoin. This video is really, I'm trying to answer the question of, will Dogecoin hit $1 and keep moving north, right? So let's explain the last move. The last move was basically a cup and handle pattern without the cup. So if you can see here, this is a daily candlestick chart. Green represents buying, red represents selling in a day. You know, if there's more selling in that day, it's going to be red, the candlestick. If there's more buying in that day, that time frame, it's going to be green. So it formed a cup here. So this was the all-time high. Well, second, oh, okay, all-time high back on April 16th for Dogecoin was 44 cents. It retraced down, went back up, didn't get quite there, stopped at 43 cents, and then next day stopped at 42 cents, and just completely just sold off, right? People just took their profits because a lot of people made money back here, right? So they bought back here. And then we formed a support line here at 25 cents, right? So see these days here from April 23rd through April 26th for 3 days, we formed a support. So it retreated back, and then the buyers came back in. Boom. So once they saw this, so it took 3 days for people to, from us technical guys to say, okay, this is solid support. This is 3-4 days worth of support, almost 5. You count this one. So you see it start to form the cup, right? So from a technical point of view, you used to see, look at these things, you're like, okay, it's forming a cup. And once it comes up here, our next resistance line was 40 cents. And it broke through 40 cents with especially with the eToro news that helped. eToro is accepting Dogecoin. It broke through to sky high territory. Now it's well extended. Lots and lots of buyers. Look at the RSI here. It's an overbought territory, which usually means at some point, so it usually means we're getting close to a sell-off, right? Sometimes it'll go sideways as it keeps going up, but you know, volume is volume. But we did have a little less volume today than we did yesterday. So will Dogecoin hit $1? Well, there's a couple things that's going to be needed, right? Volume. We need more volume. Look over here at the news. Look at KFC in Canada maybe accepting it. We have the Oakland Athletics Baseball Club has accepted Dogecoin as payment methods. So as we get news like this, we had a rapper, I believe, bought a whole bunch of Dogecoin. And so as you get more celebrity behind it, more marketing behind it, it's going to bring in a lot of novice traders. Now, the red flag with novice traders, you know, to people who don't trade, but they hear about, man, Dogecoin, your buddy, hey, I bought Dogecoin at 5 cents and it's up to 30 cents. You know, I made so much money. And like, oh, man, I want to get in on that. So it creates excitement. And so you get these rookie traders coming in. And then the problem with that is, I mean, it's great for volume, but when there's a retracement, when there's profit taking and the price starts to go down, they panic and it creates a sell-off, which is not good. Not too much of a sell-off anyway. So just be aware of that. Now, what will it take for a Dogecoin to hit $1? In my estimation, so we need more volume. So we got the news there that may help. And then let's look at some technicals. Let's compare it to other coins. So let's look at other coins and see their journey to get to $1, right? And this is a rough estimate of that. So we have Tether here, right? Tether here has a supply of 55 billion, and Dogecoin has a supply of 129 billion plus, right? And you look at Dogecoin, it has 18 million, right? But it's worth way more supply and demand. So one issue Dogecoin is having is it has way too much supply, way too much supply. So it needs that marketing. It needs buyers for it to push up. So at 65 cents with 129 billion in supply, that's a problem. Because you look at Tether, that's a little less than half. It's at $1, but it's at 55 billion, right? XRP is at 46 billion. It is trading at $1.69, right? So that may be a problem. Let's look at a few other catalysts. Let's change the supply. Let's look at the supply. And so what we're going to do is, so we got it from highest to lowest. So Ken, right, has the biggest supply, and it's trading at, oh man, like 100th of a cent. So we got, let's see, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is the only one trading at 65 cents. Look at this. So it's in the bottom half. So this is not good of supply. Too much coin has too much supply. So it desperately need buyers for it to jump up to $1. Because according to this, it's actually overpriced, right? Because look, nothing is even like a cent. We got this. Halo is 1 cent, right? And it has a supply of 169 billion, which is like 40 billion shy of Dogecoin. And so that's a huge, huge gap, right? Huge gap in price, but not a huge gap in supply. So according to this catalyst here, comparing to other coins, Dogecoin is a bit overvalued, but overpriced, not overvalued. I'm sorry. But the value is people want to buy it, and so that's why it could go for 65 cents, right? People are making money, so in a way, it's kind of the marketing is the price because so many people make money off Dogecoin. It's making it more and more popular, but even more justification for a pullback. Right here, this one TRX is 14 cents, and it's less. The supply is a lot less. Now, Dogecoin is killing in volume compared to a lot of these other ones. Only one that's close is TRX, but it's at 14 cents. And let's see if we can go up. Yeah, the volume. This is how much it's trading. How, the dollar value of what it's trading, typically on a daily basis. And so, yeah, it's like so you got BitTorrent. Yeah, so it's a bit overvalued. So I say that to just be careful. So will it hit $1? It will require, so at this point, for it to hit $1, Bitcoin is going to require a huge news catalyst, like Etrade or something comes out and say, "Hey, we're accepting Dogecoin," but I think they don't even accept Bitcoin yet. So if a major brokerage accepts Bitcoin and then Dogecoin, which is going to be so far down the road, but it needs news. Right now, it just has celebrities buying and stuff, but it needs like somebody like major to go in and buy some Dogecoin. So that's where we're at. Let's see where it's at, or it compares to on volume and market cap compared to the other crypto. So this is pretty much, so it's number one in volume. So that's good. It's being traded a lot, I guess. But that's with buying and selling. It hasn't been having big changes lately. Your market cap, that's just the value of what's out there on Dogecoin. And if you look at the bottom of my if you look at it in a detailed description, I'll put some links for places to buy this crypto. So we got Bitcoin, Ethereum. So it's like number 4 right now, market cap. So hey, you never know. So it could go to $1. Will it be actually worth $1 compared to other crypto? No. Is it worth 65 cents worth to other crypto? No. But what people are willing to pay for it is what it's worth at the end of the day. Any questions, any comments, leave it in the comments section below. Again, this is my hypothesis on Dogecoin hitting $1. And don't forget to like and subscribe. When I see patterns like this pattern here, this cup and handle, I do try to put it out there so you guys can take advantage of these patterns. I am a technical trader. I trade based off of chart patterns and pretty much nothing else. I look at the patterns, I trade, I'm in and out, and that's my game. So it doesn't have to be your game, but you can still learn something from me. Let's learn something from each other. Leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe. This is Reggie with Stock Talk, and I'll see you on the next video.